Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, March 24. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT, and we will be looking at the chart of the Euro Yen today. Now this is similar to the Australian dollar yen from I believe 2 days ago, right? The idea remains the same. It's kind of similar, right? Because we are talking about the yen pairs right now. It's a 60 minutes chart here. We can see we're looking for this pair to soon finish this wave 1, right? In blue, intermediate degree as a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from here, we should be getting a bearish pullback within the wave 2, right? Now, this may not be, again, it's not going to be as useful if you only look at the 60 minutes or lower time frame and have no clue about what really is the larger time frame or the overall idea and the overall direction and so on, right? So in the 1 hour here, we're looking for a 5 ways to finish, and then from there we can get this pullback. Now, of course, as a trend trader, right, we do not like to trade against the trend, and if the trend is higher, then obviously this is not meant to say that okay, we should be selling because it's gonna top out, or we should be chasing this because this one is kind of risky to chase, as we should be ending this 5 ways sooner or later, right? It could be ending now too, but the idea when you look at this is, okay, we will be ending this with 1 soon as a 5 waves and get a little bit bigger pullback, but since the trend is higher, you should not try to pick the top. What you need to do is waiting to see the pullback to happen, and then we can look to be trying to buy the dips. So that's the whole idea when you look at this chart. Now, zooming out a little bit from the Euro Yen, looking at the daily time frame, you can see very interesting structure here. We have this May 2020, which is the low in every single risk assets. During the COVID-19 crash, that's when you got this crash right here, right, in the indices as well. Now you can see right here we rally and top out in 2021 June. Then we got this massive sort of consolidation, and then reaction lower over here. And by the way, if you measure this one, right, if you measure the extension, another perfect 100%. Look at this. Everything correction is always at the 100% extension, right? So you get this 1, 2, 3, right? Is a flat structure. A, B, 3, 3, 5. It's a flat structure, right? Ended at the 100% extension area, and it rallies tremendously after that. You've seen the reaction, and this rally, no doubt, it looks impulsive, right? There is no doubt the rally is an impulse. So that rally is what we see here in the 1 hour time frame. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that should be ending with 1 sooner or later, right? Could be ending now, could be with a few more high, but we are expecting this rally to at least take a breather, right? And nothing works in a straight line without any kind of reaction or pullback. So that cycle, that rally should be ending soon, and then we will get this pullback. Now you notice here we almost break the previous peak, and all the other yen pairs already break. Just take a look at the Aussie yen, Canadian dollar yen, pound yen. They all break higher. So you can bet this is going to happen as well, right? This high here is 134.12. This high here is actually it has already broken, my bad. The recent move already breaks above it, 133.89. Let me double check. No, sorry, I picked the wrong high. It's 134. The high is 134.12, and this one is 133.89, almost. But the other yen pairs already break. So this is it is going to break. And if it breaks above here, what's the implication here? Well, the implication is you start a new major bullish cycle, because you got this from May 2020 to June 2021, 1 year rally, and then you got a almost 1 year correction, sideways correction, then now starting a major bullish rally again that will break above the previous peak. So technically speaking, depending whether this is 1-2 or EB, right? If it is a 1-2, you're talking about wave 3 right now, which should be a very powerful move, that can go all the way up to 157. But of course, this is not like a 24-hour trade, right? This is like daily time frame. It's gonna take a while, multiple months or even years, but it could be, if it is a wave 3, it will be powerful and very fast move. At minimum, it can get into 144, the 100% extension, or it can go all the way up to 157. Bottom line is very simple. We are dealing with a daily time frame, not just 1 hour, not just 15 minutes, not just 1 minute, right? We're dealing with a very major move here, right? Major move, major cycle, and that major cycle is screaming this is bullish, right? That major cycle is screaming this is bullish. So that means so that pullback is gonna become another opportunity when that happens, and it will happen. It's nothing goes straight line. So that pullback is going to happen, and that pullback is gonna offer another opportunity for anybody that missed the yen bearish move to the upside. Okay, so that's the update for today. And as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. See you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.